Hey guys, and welcome. Today I'm over here on the Frozen ride, and that's located over in Epcot. So if you guys haven't had a chance to get on that, I'd recommend getting over here. This is probably one of the best rides that Disney has on property, and this one, awesome ride, guys. Sit back and enjoy this one, guys. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Elsa wants to give us all some fun. She's making everyone a snowy summer day. You're going to Elsa's Ice Palace. Sven's going, and I'm going, and it'll be so beautiful. See you there.
Tell us the story again, please.
I'm very much like today. I say this is the unselfish act of true love and full of frozen.
Oh, and now they're best friends.
For my sister's magic light.
Are you ready to see Elsa?
They were born ready. First time forever, we get to share this frozen fun.
And that was pretty much it on the Frozen ride, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll get back to you on another